You know, wala na intro-intro na, duets na. Isang magandang morning po ang ating buhay probinsya, guys. So, ito buhay probinsya, may maraming alaga o alagang chicken. Meron pa kaming maalagang ibon. Ayan, guys, oh. Buhay probinsya, guys, kita nyo naman. Time check 5:50 in the morning, August 12, 2024. Ayan po, guys, napakalamig na morning, guys. So, buhay probinsya, guys, nasa bakod lang ang gulay. Ayan, oh. Napakalamig na morning, guys. Ayan po, at Managok, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Guys, napakalamig na morning, guys. Nagpa-fog pa ang aming paligid, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan po, guys, meron pa kami anong itik, naligaw. Ayan, guys, oh. Ang mahilig sa ganito, guys, nasa bakuran lang. Oh, diba? Ayan, guys, meron din kalabasa. Oh, diba? Meron din kaming bantay. Jonex. Morning, Jonex. Yay, si Jonex. Guys, so, guys, buhay probinsya, guys. Oh, thank you for watching my vlog. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, guys. Like and subscribe. Hi, kapitbahay namin, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching.